Midea is recalling 1.7 million U-window and U-plus window air conditioners due to a drainage issue that can cause mold growth, posing health risks like respiratory infections. The Consumer Product Safety Commission has received 152 reports of mold buildup, including 17 cases with related health symptoms. The recall covers units sold in the United States and Canada under various brand names, including Frigidaire and Danby, sold between March 2020 and May of 2025 at retailers like Best Buy and Home Depot, CBS News has reported. Affected owners can get a full refund or free repair by contacting Midea, with options for returning the unit or submitting proof of disabling it.